We are starting off with part 3 of osteology. Today we'll be discussing the important foramens in base of skull with the structures passing through them, and we'll make it easier by using mnemonics, starting with Foramen Ovale. This is a very common and popular mnemonic, that is ovale male. Structures passing through Foramen Ovale male. M for mandibular nerve, A for accessory meningeal artery, L for lesser petrosal nerve, E for emissary vein connecting cavernous sinus with pterygoid plexus of veins. You should know the position of Foramen Ovale. In this picture, you can see Foramen Ovale here. Foramen rotundum. Medial to Foramen Ovale, you can see a small round structure, that is Foramen rotundum. You can only see this through the interior aspect of the base of skull, not in the norma basalis, or the only structure which passes through Foramen rotundum is your maxillary nerve. So it should be easy. Foramen Spinosum, you can see below Foramen Ovale. Here you can see Foramen Spinosum. The structures passing through Foramen Spinosum can be remembered by remembering men. Earlier it was male, Foramen Ovale. Now here remember men. Everything has meningeal in it. So middle meningeal artery, middle meningeal vein, and meningeal branch of mandibular nerve. Coming to yet another important foramen, which is your lacerum. Your lacerum can be seen here medially below Foramen rotundum. After Foramen rotundum, here medially you can see lacerum. Structures passing through Foramen lacerum can be remembered as in me. What are the structures passing in me? Internal carotid artery for eye, N for nerve of pterygoid canal or Bibliodent's nerve. This is passing through the upper part of Foramen lacerum, and in the lower part there is meningeal branch of pharyngeal artery and emissary vein from cavernous sinus, INME, in me. One of the most important foramens in the base of skull is your Foramen magnum. This big foramen is your Foramen magnum. The structures passing through can be remembered by at midnight, vampires sell apples, lemons to the mall. At midnight, vampires, they sell apples and lemons to mall. Now let's see how it is expanded. At midnight, that comes in the upper part of the foramen. Vampires sell apples in the middle part and lemons to mall in the lower part. At for apical ligament of tens, midnight for membrana tectoria, vampires for vertebral arteries, cell for spinal axillary nerve, apples for anterior and posterior spinal arteries, lemons for lower part of medulla, 2 for tonsils of cerebellum, and mall for meninges. All these mnemonics are easy to remember, which will help you a lot in your MCQ solving part. Thank you for watching. Please do like and comment and save the video. Don't forget to share and follow and subscribe us for more content. Thank you.